The dog's chasing birds in the rain. They're little tiny birds, like little chickadees. You can't see them though. But he'll find another one here. They keep landing right near him, and he tries to sneak up on them. Get him, bear. See him, he's hunting. Oh, he's distracted. He knows he's over there by the boat. Well, just because I whipped the camera out, there's no more birds. There's a bird over by that boat somewhere. Look at him. I can't even see. Oh, there it is. Oh, shit. You dummy. You dummy. Come here. You can't get that bird, huh? You can't get him? Huh, bear? You can't get the bird? Where is he? Where is he, bear? Oh? Picture you look like a weirdo. Messed it up again. That's a good boy. You're a good boy, bear. Set. Good boy. Speak. Sit down. You want a treat? Okay, good boy. Say hi to Mama. Good boy. I'll get you one.